Yo, what's up? We just got up. And you know the first thing we gotta do when we get up is eat. So we're here with some cream of rice. We got 45 grams of cream of rice, 16 grams of peanut butter, and 1 scoop of protein powder. You wanna get protein in as soon as possible in the morning. So I make this as soon as I get up usually. It's gas. You guys know it's gas, come on. But yeah, this is what I do as soon as I get up. Eat some cream of rice. I would do coffee as well, but I've been trying to reduce my caffeine intake, so I might have a decaf coffee, but no caffeine. We will have work a little bit later. I don't know if I'm gonna go in or not because it is raining and I'm working outside today, so I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, we're gonna eat this and probably do some work. I'm just gonna bring you guys through the day, show you what I'm doing, so let's do it. And we're back. Just scheduled some Instagram posts for the week. It's currently Sunday. Always plan my posts for the entire week on Sunday. So we're here with, y'all see that? I'm eating another thing of cream of rice before I go to work. Cream of rice is just so good. I don't know what it is. And yeah, we got our meals prepped for work. I'll be there until 5, so I'm eating 2 meals, just chicken and rice. Just the basic stuff, you already know. So I'll see you guys at work. Chicken and rice. Meal 2. It's windy as shit. Yeah. And we're back from work, feeling dead. Went to the store, as you guys saw, with the Food Lion. Got some green beans, cream of rice, and some chicken breast. And these are my staples, as you guys know. So today's a pretty boring day, to be honest. But this is what I do on a pretty regular rest day, where I'm not training, go to work. Now I'll probably do some Instagram stuff, plan out some posts for the rest of the week, keep you guys updated. Probably gonna get a meal in right now, so y'all are gonna see that, and see you then. Whee! Alright, it's like a couple minutes later, just air fried up some salmon, frozen salmon. It's weird because the macros on the frozen salmon say there's only like 1.5 grams of fat in the serving, which really doesn't make sense for salmon, because salmon is usually a lot higher in fat. We got broccoli, also frozen, microwaved, and then 100 grams of rice at the bottom, if y'all can see that. And yeah, this is our meal 4, 5. I think this is our 5th meal. We're eating more. As you guys know, I'm increasing the calories because we have low test. Gotta increase the testosterone somehow, so we gotta eat more cows. Cheers. We're down some food, and I'll see you guys whenever I see you guys, alright? Peace. We're back in the kitchen. I feel like poop. I'm not gonna cap. I feel like poop. I've had hella calories today, but not a lot of caffeine, because I'm trying to come off of caffeine. I don't know if you guys know this, but Ben is severely addicted to caffeine, like many of you also might be. But yeah. Caffeine addiction, it's not cool. It's not cool. So I just want to talk about it real quick. I think I talked about it in one of my last videos, but like, bro, if you are addicted to caffeine, like, you need to do something about it, because if you think about it, you keep upping the dose. It's probably not the best for your heart, alright? So you want to slowly decrease your intake. That's what I'm doing. Or you could cycle on and off of it, but I want to try to get to a point where I don't need it at all anymore, and then I'll be set. Bro, like, the fact that, like, I need it to function sucks. It sucks, bro. It sucks. Even picking up the camera right now is hard, you know? It's hard to do. But we're getting the freaking vidski out, bro. It's the freaking vlog. I'm taking you guys through my rest day. I feel like poop, but I know I gotta get around because I haven't got a lot of physical activity today. So I'm gonna take a little walk and, yeah, just get some good vibes, clear my head. Try to feel a little bit better. But yeah, we'll probably come back, eat another meal, and then go to freaking bed. Because it's rest day. You gotta get to bed early, get more freaking rest. And I'm walking around like a freaking zombie. But yeah, we're about to go take a walk, and I'll see you guys whenever I see you guys. Peace. Alright, we back. Went for a little walk. Feel a lot better now, but it's time to go to sleep. So we're about to cook up one more meal. I don't know if y'all can hear this, but in Myrtle Beach it's like pouring right now. Check this out. See out here? Yeah, we're lit. Just want to show you how boring my day is on a rest day with work, you know. It's pretty boring, to be honest. Just a lot of work on my phone and on my computer behind the scenes for Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, all that. So, and honestly really felt like poop today. You guys could probably tell. Had like no energy. It's from the caffeine. I already talked about it. So let's hop into this final meal of the day. Probably do some eggs. I've been doing whole eggs a lot before bed, and I'll put some like syrup on them. It's pretty gas. I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. So let's get it. Alright, we're here. We're here in Ben's kitchen. First thing you want to do is spray the freaking pan with some coconut oil. Put on like high, medium heat. You already know. We got 4 whole eggs and some egg whites. You pour a little egg white first. Okay. And then you crack an egg. Crack. Smack, crack and smack, you know what I'm saying? You crack and smack the egg up in there. I'm making a mess. Crack and smack, okay. Crack and smack, crack, smack, smack, and now all the eggs are done. Okay, throw this shit in the garbage, okay? Then you get more egg whites. I'm just gonna use the rest of it, okay? And you gotta get the protein in, you know what I'm saying? Protein. Then this thing, trash, okay? Then you take your little fork and you freaking mess up the yolks. I don't usually use my fork. You grab a little spatch, and then you go in there and you mix up the yolkies, okay? Then you just let her cook. Alright, they're getting cooked up. They're getting cooked up pretty damn good. Now you wanna go in there and you wanna flip them around and shit. And like Gordon Ramsay says, on the heat, off the heat, you know? You take it off for a little bit and you spread her around. Take her off for a little bit and then put her back on the freaking heat. That's how you make freaking good scrambled eggs, alright? They're looking pretty good to me. Alright, and then you're done. You want to turn off your heat so you don't burn the house down. Yo, do you guys want to see more Chef Ben? Let me know. I usually skip the cooking part, you know, and I just show you what I'm eating. But if you guys want more Chef Ben, be sure to let me know. I could do a whole cooking series with my recipes. Drop a comment if you guys want to see more Chef Ben. After you're done cooking your eggs and you put them in the bowl, you take some sugar-free maple syrup and then you just lather it on there, okay? And then you're freaking good to go. And you go to town. Yum. I'm gonna fix you real quick. What's up, buddy? And then this is the final meal before bed. A lot of fat and protein. Yeah, so this is the final meal. It's how we cook it up in Ben's kitchen. You know the vibes. I'm a little sleepy, if you guys can tell. We're gonna rest up because rest is the key to gains, okay? Comment that. If you made it this far, comment rest is the key to gains. But that is gonna do it for this vlog. Like, comment, subscribe, all that jazz. All my links are in the description below. Greek God merch is live now, so if you want to rep the Greek God lifestyle and you want to support Ben, cop a little t-shirt, Greek God merch, you know vibes. See you guys in the next one. Ben's out. Peace.